हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू माय अनदर व्लॉग।
थैंक यू
तो आज
ऑल।
है 13 जनवरी और मैं आया हूँ इंटरनेशनल काइट फेस्टिवल वडोदरा में, जो कि अभी ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है वडोदरा म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के द्वारा। तो चलो चलते हैं अंदर।
All the kitists and guests are requested to come to the center of the seating arrangement. On the dais, Shriman Balkrishna Khanderao Shukla ji, Honorable Mayor, all the dignitaries, Standing Committee Chairman, Deputy Mayor Shri Chirag Bhai Barot, Standing Committee Chairman Dr. Sheetal Bhai Mistry, also Chairman of Education Committee Aditya Bhai, Honorable Municipal Commissioner Shri Arun Mahesh Babu, Deputy Municipal Commissioner Shri Ganga Singh Sir, take advantage of the rare opportunity to enjoy the stunts of kite flyers of the country as well abroad at the outskirts of Vadodara. Almost 160 kitists are here. This International Kite Festival is jointly organized by Gujarat Tourism Corporation Limited, District Administration and Vadodara Municipal Corporation. The chief guest of the International Kite Festival are the Honorable Chief Whip of the Gujarat Legislative Assembly, Shri Balkrishna Khanderao Shukla ji, and Honorable Mayor of the city, Srimati Pinky Ben Soni, and also persuasive presence of all the respective and honorable dignitaries on the dais. Vadodara, proudly known as the city of values, the city of art and the cultural capital, truly reflects India's rich heritage. For the welcome speech, I request and invite our Honorable Municipal Commissioner Shri Arun Mahesh Babu.
Very good morning to all of you. સૌપ્રથમ અહીંયા પધારેલ તમામ વડીલો, ભાઈઓ અને બહેનોને આજના કાર્યક્રમમાં અમે સ્વાગત કરીએ છીએ. આજના ઇન્ટરનેશનલ કાઇટ ફેસ્ટિવલ વડોદરા ખાતે આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે એ બદલ ગુજરાત રાજ્ય સરકાર અને ટુરિઝમ કોર્પોરેશનને અમે સૌ પહેલાં આભાર માનીને આજના કાર્યક્રમને શુભારંભ કરીએ છીએ. For the benefit of the people from abroad, I will also be speaking in English apart from Gujarati so that it can be conveyed in a better place. First of all, with an introduction, I welcome all the dignitaries, all the kite flyers, and all the people who are part of this wonderful program. This is an initiative of the Government of Gujarat as well as with the guidance from the Government of India Tourism Department to have started this kite flying festival starting from Ahmedabad. And as of now, it's been several years and we've started this program. We've got dignitaries from about 15 countries. Until now, there's a record of about 22 countries having participated in the International Kite Flying Festival. We also have dignitaries from 8 different states within the Union of India, and they've been participating in the Kite Flying Festival right from Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Surat, Vadodara, Dwarka, Vadnagar, and several other places. My thanks goes to the Government of Gujarat and the Tourism Department for having given a go to host the International Kite Festival here in Vadodara also. Having said that, it's my proud privilege to welcome the Chief Whip of the Gujarat Vidhan Sabha, Shri Balakrishna Shukla sir. I welcome you to today's International Kite Festival program. Secondly, it is a proud privilege to have been welcoming the Honorable Mayor, Srimati Pinky Ben Soni, on the dais to this International Kite Festival hosted at Vadodara. We welcome you, ma'am. Thirdly, it's also a proud privilege to welcome the Member of Parliament from Vadodara, who has been youth along with the Kite Flying Association of Vadodara. We welcome Shri Hemang Joshi, the Member of Parliament, to the stage. It's been a proud privilege to welcome the Deputy Mayor of Vadodara Municipal Corporation, Shri Chirag Barot. I welcome you, sir, for today's program. It's a privilege to welcome Dr. Sheetal Mistry, who is the Standing Committee Chairman of VMC. I welcome you to today's program, Dr. Sheetal Mistry. Apart from this, we've got representatives from the Vadodara Municipal Corporation, the party leader, Shri Manoj Patel, the Deputy Municipal Commissioner Ganga Singh, and other officers. Above all, to give a brief, I would welcome all the kite flying people, the Kite Flying Association from Vadodara for having keen interest in hosting this program, and also the Kite Flying Associations and the members from all the 8 participating states, right from Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, and many other states, and also the dignitaries who have been eagerly participating. We've had a record of close to 22 countries participating till now. Right from Australia, Bulgaria, Lithuania, Lebanon, and many other countries. Without taking names, I welcome each and every wonderful kite flying people who made this festival possible. Thank you for flying to India and thank you for flying to Gujarat.
Mahesh Babu for delivering such a valuable welcome speech on the occasion. Thank you once again, sir. To give the honor to our chief guest of this occasion, a Chief Whip of Gujarat Legislative Assembly, Shri Balakrishna Khanderao Shukla ji, I request and invite Team VMC with memento and handkerchief. Honorable Mayor Srimati Pinky Ben Soni, Honorable Municipal Commissioner Sir, Shri Arun Mahesh Babu, Deputy Mayor Shri Chirag Bhai Barot, Standing Committee Chairman Dr. Sheetal Bhai Mistry, also leader and whip of ruling party Manoj Bhai Patel. Our MLA Keyur Bhai Rukadia is present here. Thank you, sir. And I request staff of ICDS to give the honor to all the dignitaries on the dais, like Honorable Mayor, Honorable Municipal Commissioner, MP Shri Dr. Hemang Bhai Joshi, Standing Committee Chairman. All the dignitaries on the dais are to be honored with handkerchief, and a big round of applause. And also the representative of various countries of the world, and also the councillors of Vadodara Municipal Corporations are to be also honored with handkerchief. I request staff of ICD's project Thank you so much. Member of Parliament Dr. Hemang Bhai Joshi to deliver occasional speech. Dr. Hemang Bhai Joshi, abhi
Good morning, friends, and welcome to Vadodara. It has been always a great privilege for us to host in the International Kite Festival 2026. Just we witnessed yesterday, it was a history that two premiers of a great nations were flying kites together, India and Germany. And if I talk about our visionary Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi ji, he always has that vision. When he was a chief minister of the state, he had the vision that culture of kite flying, the culture of Garba, the tradition of our soul, it should reach beyond boundaries. It should reach beyond countries. And the result of it, we can see in front of us. We are having the International Kite Festival since a decade for now. So it's all because of his great vision. And if I talk about Vadodara, and when our international friends are there, friends from the Kite Flying Associations, also delegation from the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, international delegation also has come. I also welcome them. But when you all are in Vadodara, I must also mention our great visionary king, Sir Sayajirao Gaikwad. The palace you see behind you and in front of you, it is the largest residential palace in the world. And he also had that vision that wherever I go, wherever I visit in any foreign country, but what about my people? So he also created a central museum. It is near Sayaji Garden. You can also visit it. You must visit it. Where each lobby has its own civilization of a particular country. So if a poor citizen of Vadodara could not go to foreign and visit the culture and civilization of that country, he can go to that museum, visit that lobby, and also he can feel that I am in that country. So that's how our visionary leaders of Vadodara are working. So without wasting your much of the time, I again welcome you all in this International Kite Festival, and a big round of applause for Vadodara Municipal Corporation, Government of Gujarat, Gujarat Tourism, and I also acknowledge the presence of our chief guest of today's International Kite Festival, Shri Balkrishna Shukla ji, Honorable Mayor, and all the dignitaries. Thank you and have a great day.
as the first dignitary or as the first person of the city, Srimati Pinkyben Soni.
भारत माता की वंदे. ધન્યવાદ. ગુજરાત ટુરિઝમ, જિલ્લા વહીવટીતંત્ર અને વડોદરા મહાનગરપાલિકા દ્વારા વડોદરાના આંગણે દેશ વિદેશના પતંગબાજો જ્યારે વિદેશી પતંગો સાથેના પોતાના કરતબો અજમાવાના છે, ત્યારે આ માણવાના આજના આ અલભ્ય અવસરનો આપણી સાથે ઉપસ્થિત ગુજરાત સરકારના માનનીય મુખ્ય દંડક શ્રી બાળકૃષ્ણ ખંડેરાવ શુક્લજી, વડોદરા શહેરના સાંસદ શ્રી હેમાંગભાઈ જોશી, સ્ટેન્ડિંગ સમિતિના ચેરમેન શ્રી ડૉક્ટર શીતલ મિસ્ત્રી, ધારાસભ્ય શ્રી કેયુરભાઈ રોકડિયા, ડેપ્યુટી મેયર શ્રી ચિરાગભાઈ બારોટ, નેતા શ્રી મનોજભાઈ, મારા સૌ સાથી સભાસદશ્રીઓ, દેશ વિદેશ અને અલગ અલગ સ્ટેટમાંથી આવેલા સૌ પતંગ રસિકો, અહીં ઉપસ્થિત સૌ ભાઈઓ બહેનો, મીડિયાના મિત્રો અને આપ સૌને હું વંદન કરું છું.
Krishna Khanderao Shukla, a big round of applause.
ગુજરાત ટુરિઝમ, જિલ્લા વહીવટી તંત્ર અને વડોદરા મહાનગરપાલિકાના સંયુક્ત ઉપક્રમે ગુજરાતની સાંસ્કૃતિક રાજધાની એવી વડોદરા શહેરમાં આજે જ્યારે 12મો આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય પતંગ મહોત્સવ ઉજવાઈ રહ્યો છે, ત્યારે 18 દેશ અને 11 રાજ્યોમાંથી અત્રે ઉપસ્થિત પતંગવીરો,
આભાર વિધિ વ્યક્ત કરવા માટે
વડોદરા શહેરમાં આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય પતંગ મહોત્સવ 2026નો પ્રારંભ થવા જઈ રહ્યો છે. આપણા ગુજરાતના સીએમ હતા જ્યારે નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીજી, અને એક વિઝનરી લીડર તરીકે એમણે અલગ અલગ તહેવારોને અલગ રીતે ઉજવવા માટે જે પ્રયત્નો કર્યા હતા, એમાંનો આ એક પ્રયત્ન 12મી વખત આપણે આ વડોદરા શહેરમાં આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય પતંગ મહોત્સવ ઉજવવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. અહીંયાથી હું આભાર માનીશ માનનીય સાંસદશ્રીનો કે એમના પ્રયત્નથી આ વખતે આ જે પતંગ મહોત્સવ નહોતો થવાનો, પરંતુ એમના પ્રયત્નોથી આપણે આ પતંગ મહોત્સવ ઉજવવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ, તો એમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. સાથે સાથે આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય પતંગ મહોત્સવમાં જે પતંગવીરો અહીંયા ભાગ લેવા આવ્યા છે એમનો પણ આભાર માનું છું. અને જિલ્લા વહીવટીતંત્ર, કોર્પોરેશન અને સરકારનો તમામનો હું અહીંયા આભાર માનું છું. અને હવે આપણે આ પતંગ મહોત્સવ શરૂ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ, તો આપ સૌનો હું ખૂબ ખૂબ આભારી છું.
આભાર વિધિ કરવા બદલ આપનો પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનનીય ડેપ્યુટી મેયર શ્રી ચિરાગભાઈ બારોટ.
અહીંયા આ ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં નગર પ્રાથમિક શિક્ષણ સમિતિના બાળકોને પણ આમંત્રિત કર્યા છે, અને તેઓ પણ આજે અહીંયા આવ્યા છે, તો એમનો પણ હું ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું.
Thank you so much for delivering vote of thanks, Deputy Mayor. હવામાં ફુગ્ગાઓની છોડી પતંગ મહોત્સવનો પ્રારંભ. Today is part of this grand opening. I request and invite all the honorable dignitaries for releasing balloons into the sky. Three, two, and one. A big round of applause. These are hopes, aspirations, peace and collective happiness. As they rise above, let us also promise to spread love, unity and respect for nature and humanity. Thank you all. Thank you. IPCA અને ગતિશક્તિના foreign delegates are requested to come up on the stage to give the honor to our Honorable MP, Dr. Hemangabhai Joshi. And also the Hemangabhai Joshi will also appreciate and give the honor to all the delegates from the foreign countries. Collective happiness. As they rise above, let us also promise to spread love, unity and respect for nature and humanity.
गाइस, मैं हूँ इंटरनेशनल काइट इक्फा के साथ अभी पे काइट कर रही है फ्लाइंग। इंटरनेशनल काइट फेस्टिवल वडोदरा का। और अभी मैं निकल रहा हूँ घर के लिए, तो मिलते हैं फिर अगले वीडियो में। तब तक गुड बाय। तो गाइस देखते हैं, यहाँ पर खाने पीने की चीज़ें मिल रही है, कैप मिल रही है।